In today's video, I'm going to show you how to join the Steal a Brainrot Discord server step by step so you can get in quickly and start chatting with the community. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy guides just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Discord on your phone or computer and sign into your account. If you don't already have Discord installed, make sure you download it first and log in before continuing. Once you're signed in, open the invite link for the Steal a Brainrot server. You can use the invite URL in your browser or tap the link if you're on mobile. After the invite page loads, you should see the server name and an option that says Accept Invite or Join Server. Click or tap that button to begin joining the server. If Discord asks you to complete a verification step, go ahead and follow the instructions carefully. This might include confirming that you're a real user, checking a box, or completing a quick security action before you're allowed inside. Once that is done, the server will open, and you'll be inside the Steal a Brainrot Discord community. At this point, take a moment to read the server rules, if there's a rules channel available. This is important because every Discord server has its own guidelines, and following them helps you avoid getting muted or removed. After that, browse the channel list and select the channels you want to follow or start chatting in. Some servers also let you choose roles or opt in to certain channels, so make sure to check for any welcome or start here messages. And that's it. You've successfully joined the Steal a Brainrot Discord server. Now you can explore the community, read updates, and participate in the conversations. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.